Welcome back to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Ian, and today I'm reporting from our Boxborough location, and we're taking a look at the H4 LED bulb upgrade for the Royal Enfields. They do fit the Urals as well, but this video is going to be specifically covering the Royal Enfields. So this is on an Interceptor 650. I do apologize, this bike is dirty, it is a used bike and it does need to be detailed. But I wanted to show you this LED upgrade. We can see it's installed and it's facing up. So make sure when you install it to have the LED chip facing up so it projects the light correctly onto the road. And as far as the installation, it is very straightforward. You'll see there's a Phillips head screw on each side, right here. And once you remove those, the headlight lens will this will separate from the headlight bucket, and then you'll be able to replace the bulb and plug the new one in. So now let's take a close look at this LED bulb right as you get it out of the package. But stay tuned, because after that I'm going to do a light output comparison between a halogen bulb from the factory and this LED upgrade, so you can see for yourself why it is worth the money and getting the increased visibility and safety at night from it. Check out the awesome quality of this LED bulb. I'm going to show you up close here. It's a full aluminum body, as we can see. And then the adapter ring is plastic, but with that, you can see it has different marks on it for the adjustment of clocking the light differently. So you can see it actually, with a little bit of force, rotates. And then you have these nice marks to track where you are. So you can try different locations if you're trying to get a specific, beam pattern, or you're using it in a different application. But generally, as this comes out of the package, it is good to go for the Royal Enfields. So as I said in the first part of this video, just make sure that the LED chip here is pointing up in the housing, because that is the proper way with how the housing is designed to have the proper reflection and beam spread on the road. So now let's check out our online listing where we can find this awesome LED upgrade. Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward layout. First, we see next to the photo gallery, it shows the up-to-date pricing. It shows any product reviews so you can see what other people are saying about it. And a feature that we're proud to offer at AlphaCars is the option to show full cost with installation. This is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with a particular product, and little to no other online retailers offer this function. We can see we just checked this box, and it shows the full cost with installation here at AlphaCars. Now moving below the photo gallery, we have a nice description which highlights the product's features, specifications, vehicle fitment notes, and any installation instructions will be linked down here as well. And that's all there is to it. So now we're going to do a light output comparison between the factory halogen bulb and the LED upgrade. So first I have an Interceptor with the factory halogen bulb. So let's turn the ignition on. We can see there, decent light output. Doesn't go that wide, unfortunately, and it kind of has some dark spots. Now let's put the high beam on. You can see the difference there. So you can see it definitely gives you a little more height, but then you have a kind of a major dark spot, directly where you're about to be riding. So just keep that in mind. And now I'm gonna get the Interceptor that has the LED bulb in it, and it's gonna be parked in the exact same place, so this will be a very fair comparison. So let's check that out now. Now I've got the Interceptor outside that has the LED bulb. So just check that out. Has a nice even spread, not really any dark spots in the beam. Putting on the high beam, you can see that. Really adds a lot of confidence, safety, and visibility at night. And for how affordable this upgrade is, you really, in my opinion, can't go wrong. So how about that comparison? Put down in the comments which bike you'd rather be riding at night if you had the choice. All of these Royal Enfields and Urals are available at our Boxborough location, So definitely give our website, alphacars.com, a look, and you'll be able to find all the details. So with that, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss any more exciting content.